that I will not do radio below 600,000 Ghana cedis. 6 billion.
That is for how long?
Huh?
How long?
For 2 years. I will not take less than 600. I took it 2017.
600,000.
Yes.
Me
money. If I have to do radio now, I will not take poaching less than 1 billion. I am sorry. I am Queen Afia Schwarzenegger, the queen of mid-morning in Ghana. I proved it without any reasonable doubt. 2015, Kasapa FM. When him say yes, me bo radio near to Kanye and come here Romo ye giant to Suni. Without any reasonable doubt. Massa. Yendia grow. I am not bragging. My manager is Benduka. Try it. I don't need anybody to employ me. I have done my piece of shit for radio and TV. And at this, with the drum home.